Hi everyone, Ulysses here for Microchip Technology. Welcome back to Ask Our Experts, a series of videos where we answer some frequently asked questions on a diverse set of topics. Today, we're talking about secure elements again. To help answer our question, we welcome back Todd Slack. So Todd, you spend a lot of time in front of automotive customers. Can you explain to our viewers what ISO21434 is? And what does it mean to silicon providers like Microchip?
ISO 21434 is a new standard that was just released in the past couple months, cybersecurity of road vehicles. This is a vehicle level specification, and it is certainly mostly required by the OEMs to prove compliance to the spec. That being said, everybody has a role to play in proving compliance to ISO 21434. So the OEMs will require the tier 1s to prove compliance at the module level. And then the tier 1s will require companies like Microchip, the tier 2s or silicon providers, to also prove compliance. So this is an organizational or procedural level specification. This is not a product level specification. So not a specific piece of silicon will get certified, rather an organization, their procedures on how they develop products in a secure manner. For example, who can access the design databases must prove that that is done in a secure manner. And then you also have to have risk assessments that are performed. At the silicon level, what that means is that we have identified vulnerabilities in all sorts of security ICs that you should protect against. And so we do submit these devices to third-party assessments and get JIL evaluations and FIPS evaluations to prove that we've gone through the risk assessment. And then there's also the requirement that you have a bug reporting capability. So that can be through PSERT, a Product Security Incident Response Team, which we have in place within Microchip across all of our products. In the automotive space, one of our focuses is the TA100. And so our external sources or customers can report those bugs. We have a team that can evaluate whether or not that is in fact a true bug. And we also have the ability to have our own applications teams report those bugs internally. And either way, that team would review whether or not it's a true bug and how we proactively then push that communication out to our customers in the field. So that is in place. And really, this whole process is governed by the Cybersecurity Interface Development Agreement, which would be a part of every project that either an OEM and a tier 1 are involved with, or a tier 1 and a tier 2 like Microchip. So every project award would require that document. Really, what the ISO 21434 covers is also UN Regulation 155, which is the cybersecurity development process. So in order to comply to UN 155, you can go through an audit for ISO 21434, and then you can cover for both. And that is where we have all sorts of impact in the automotive world over the next couple of years. So lots of activity going there.
Thanks, Todd. Always nice to have you. Viewers, to learn more about the Trust Anchor, make sure to check out our Crypto Automotive webpage linked in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to know when we have more insights from our experts. We'll see you next time.